Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the September lead code challenge problem. The problem is that the vertical order traversal of the binary tree. Basically, there is an important question for the interview. So basically the question is that given the root of the binary tree and we'll have to calculate the vertical order the traversal of the binary tree. So basically the vertical order, it means that if I have been doing the vertical order traversal, so first it will come as a 9, then after that 15, then after that 20, and then the 7. So how I'll do that? First I will write and then after that I'll make my code which I have been writing, then after that it will submit there. So first I make there, sorry, so first I will make that the tree basically. Let me check. 3, 9, 20, 15 and 7. 3, 9, 20, 3, 9, 20, 3, 9, 20, 15 and 7. 15 and 7. So what is meaning of that? Basically I am trying to through there, basically I have been trying my root value, I have been passing, basically I am trying to the BFS call, but including how I will do that. First I will the x of y component I have been passing through there. Basically the root value there and x of y component. If I'll go to the root left, in that condition the value will be passing through the root left, and the x, that means that is the x minus 1 component, and y plus 1. Y plus 1 because that is increasing one more depth, so that is why. So after that, there is the root right and the x plus 1 and y plus 1, both of them. So that is how I've been trying to do that. And when the same value of this present of there, basically that y value, so in that condition I will put that value serial by into that the vector basically. So what I'll do that, first make dry run on that. That one. So what I'll do that first. Yeah, basically I'm taking that as in, that is 3. I've been taking the q, basically q value. What I'll do that is 3 and 0 of 0. I've been putting that value into the queue. That is, my traversal has been complete. Now that has been popped. So that has been popped. So basically I will taking that as in, basically that if the left value has been present or not. If there is a left value has been present there, so in that case I will insert that value into that into that left value or right value. So what will do that? So basically I'll take that the root value, basically the top value, that is the first one basically. If I've been popping that, so basically my q will be the tree node star, and basically the pair of, basically there is a pair of tree node, and the basically that is also a pair of integer and integer. Why integer and integer? Because integer and integer that is has been completed, and that one and that one. So basically what will do that, that is the q if I have been putting that. So first that is the root node, and that is the x, and that is the y. So that is y integer and integer. So after that first I have been putting that value into that, and then after that I will check that if the left value has been present or the right value has been present. If there is a top value is right now 3, and the x component is basically the top values, basically 3, 0 and 0. That is the top. This is the second part, this is the second, and then first. this is the second, and then first, that is part. So that is 0, and y, that is the top dot second, and this is the second part, right, according to the pair concept. So after that, the top value is, this is the tree, basically tree node. This is the tree node. Right now we'll have to check that if there is a left value has been present. Yes. So in that case, I will put the 9, the left, I'll go there. So basically 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. So minus 1, and the depth has been increasing, so y plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, that is equals to 1. So that is 1. So that is 1. So after that, the right value has been present. Yes. So in that case 20. So 0 plus, in that case I have been going down right side. So that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So 0 plus 1, that is 1. So 1 and 1, that is 1. So after that, so 9. So that part has been completed, and so hold on, and we'll have to check that first. We'll have to putting that value after traversal. We'll have to putting that value into that vector. So basically we'll have to check that. Basically I have been taking that as a map of integer. That means I have been putting that value and the multiset. Basically I have been taking same part also, map of integer and the multiset integer. Why I have been taking that? Because I have been taking due to empty. I have been taking because there is a two position I have been will have to maintain, that is the x condition and that is the y condition. So what is x and y? That is that value of x and y. That's value of x and y, that is, and that value will be giving there basically x and y. So after that I will taking that multiset. Why multiset? Because multiset giving me the sorting and it allows the duplicate value. So that is why I have been taking that as a multiset. After that, that will insert the value of the tree node. Basically that one, the top values dot val. I mean that value. So that's how the traversal has been completing this. So right now I am trying to implement my logic one more time as a diagram. 3, 9, 20, 15, 7, 15 and 7. So first I will make that queue, basically that one. So first I will put in that value 0 of 0. After that, with the value has been putting there, so basically the map of 0 of 0, that's value will become 3. So after that, so that is being popped. 3 has a left value, yes. So 9 minus 1 and 1 and 20, 1 and 1, that value. So what is that? That is MP of minus 1 of the 1, that will the 9, and MP of the 1 and 1, that value of 20. So after the 29 there is no value, so there will be no required to insert there. So that will be the putting that value into that map and that one set. So after that 20 is a left value. Okay. So after that, first I will put that value 20. Okay, that is already inserted there. So right now we'll have to check that the left value, yes, that is present. So 15, and that is the 0 and 2, and the 7, that is the 1, that is 2 and 2. So basically that is, after that all are that MP of 0 of 2, that is goes 15, and MP of 2 of 2, that is goes 7. So how I'll right now manage it there? So basically that's how I've been managing there. Basically managed through there, that's how I've been taking through there. So basically there is a node, basically MP of there. So all are node which have been given there, there is the MP. all node auto, that's p I have been taking that as node dot mp. So right now all other node has been given to me. After that I have been taking that as a vector of integer of column. That means that after that, so for second one, for auto, that is the value basically. For auto, there is the queue of, if I have been taking that one, there is a p second basically. P second. Why I have been taking second? Because the value of that is that one. So there is basically mp of 3. So mp of 0 has been passing through there, has been 3, and the 2 will be given through there 3, and the 15 in that case, and -1 case has been putting there, -1 has been putting there as a 9, and that's the 20 there. 20 is basically, that is also putting that as a mp1. mp of 1 is basically 20, and mp of 2 basically, mp of 2 is giving 7. So what is that? -1 is giving 9, -1 giving 9, and that was giving 3 and 15. That is the column value, each and everything, and that will inserting into that all global. That is the result value, that is global lesson. Then after that I'll putting that value as in 1, that is 20, and then after that is goes to the 7. That is the maybe answer. Let me check the 9, 3, 15, 20 and 7. 20 and 7. That's how I have been trying to implement my logic there. So basically I have been taking the order of max to max. If I have been taking that the in space, but there will be order of n that will be not required, because every time that will be the basically order of h is the height of that tree which have been required to do that, and extra space I have been taking that is order of n basically, if, to store the value of that one. So right now I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So first I will make that queue basically, queue pair of free node and pair of integer. That one has been completed, that one and that one, that is queue. Yeah. And then after that, and another one is the which resultant value. So first I'll have to put that map, that is integer, and in integer if I have been initializing that, which value I have to put there, basically the I have been putting the another map, because I have a 2D condition, because that is in x and that is in y. So integer I have been putting and insert the multiset, that is integer, that I have been passing through there. Then my map has been completed, so after that is the map. So right now I have been putting that q dot push the pair basically. So I have been putting that value the root and 0, 0, that one, that I have been putting there. So while q not empty, that is being popped, top value that is being popped, tp, that is the q of top, then q dot pop, that's the value. So right now we'll have to check that which the value will be given there. Free node top value is equals to tp dot, it is a pair, that is in basically the pair integer, so basically the tp first, and integer x is equals to tp second and then first. Why later I am taking that, because I have been already discussed about that in the dry run, because there is an x and that is an y. tp.second dot fast, second. The reason why. After that I will insert that value into that the map, basically map of x fast pair. First I have been inserting into the map, and then I have been putting that the second one, then I will insert that value into the top value, that is top value val. Yes, that is val, that one that I have been putting there. And right now we'll have to check that if the top value left is present. Yes, if there is a present, in that case I will put that value into that q dot push back. That, then after that top value left comma x minus 1 and then y plus 1. If top value right there q dot push, then I'm making an pair, basically top value right x plus 1 comma y plus 1. That has been completed, and right now we'll have to return that value as a vector of vector format. So we'll have to take in that another vector of vector integer resultant vector, basically res I've been taking. So for auto pair I've been taking that pair, that I'm taking that as a node, basically node. So what will do that is basically map. So after that I found a basically the another there is an separated format of the integer, that one. So I'll have been taking that as a vector of integer of column wise, that is column wise. So I'm taking that one. So after that what I will do that okay, and for another for, that is for gh if I've been taking, and node dot second so that is now I have been inserting into accessing there. There is a multi-set, basically there is a multi-set. The second one is basically the map, and then after that auto part, that is then goes to the multi-set, basically. And then after that I will insert that all the value which have been present insert into there. So basically I have been insert that all the value, that is call dot insert that call dot end, and the gh of that, basically, and gh also have been inserting that the another map, basically. So what I'll do that, so gh dot second of that beginning, that's from the which the value has been present on the multiset, and gh dot second dot end, that I have been inserting into there. And then after that I will put that value into that pushback, into that call. So after that, when the traversal has been completed, then after that I will insert the value as an format of res. So right now I'll have to check that. Maybe okay, there is a compilation error. Let me check my logic is correct or not. Same here. Okay, I forgot to do that. There is q. Most of the time I have been using the q, so that is why it's happened there. Top, okay. You wrote front maybe. Hold on. Not top. The top is basically the for using the stack. Matching number to call to the push. It is in value of that. Created push. What's been happening there? Okay, I forgot that. Sorry. So that is in one, and then after that I'll inserting into that. Hold on, I will get in same error there. Yeah, that is giving me a right answer. So let me check that another example also. Yeah, it is giving me right answer. So right now I'm trying to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.